Okay, let's have a look at our homework. So yesterday we learned a lot about text and graphic features. So our homework was all about that. We had to read this little passage about the 5 different food groups. Then we had to answer the questions. Number 1, write the food groups that have foods shown in the picture. What did we write down there? Zaling.
Grain, vegetable, fruit, proteins, dairy.
Good job, well done. Grains, vegetables, fruits, proteins, and dairy. We can see all of those food groups that have been put down as a graphic feature over here. Good job. Number 2, what does the title tell you about food groups? So the title is up here. Meng Huai.
The title tells there are 5 groups.
Good job. Well done. The title tells me that there are 5 food groups. Well done, Ming Huan. Number 3, explain what the words next to each bold word tell about. Now, my bold words are over here. Ta-da! We've got 5 bold words. Teddy, what do you think?
The word next to each bold word tell about what food is in the food group.
Amazing. Good job, Teddy. The bold words give examples of foods in each group. So if we want to eat more grains, we should eat things like pasta, bread, and rice. If we want to get more protein, we should be eating meat, tofu, and eggs. Good job. Well done, guys. So give yourself a tick if you got that correct. If you got anything wrong, please make sure you are correcting it. Okay, let's move on to the second page. So now that we've read our little passageway, let's have a look at the questions. Number 1, write a sentence that tells how the pictures can help people keep their pets safe. Kwang Ming, what do you think?
I think don't let your pet eat grapes, raisins, and dark chocolate.
Absolutely. Good job, Kwang Ming. Don't let your pet don't let your pet eat grapes and raisins or dark chocolate. So my sentence is, the pictures show what dangerous foods look like. So these pictures are clear indicators of foods that we should not be giving our pets. Even though they taste great to us, they're actually really, really dangerous for our pets. So we should never let them eat them. Number 2, explain how each picture is related to the words below it. Now let's have a look here. So we've got 2 photographs here, and we have what we call a caption underneath them. How are these words related to the picture? What do you think, Kwang Hai?
It's mean explain how each picture is related to the word below. It's mean what food it is.
Very good, well done. The words below the picture tell us what type of food it is. So here we have grapes and raisins, and there's a caption to back that up to show this is what grapes and raisins are, in case someone didn't know what they looked like. Number 3, last question. Who wrote this message? Tell me how you know how. See, can you please help me, Cindy? Who wrote this message? And tell me how you know.
I think the person who wrote this message is a master of a vet, because I think if he or her were a master of a vet are very good, they will know these rules.
Yeah, very good. So you are right. A vet is the person who wrote this message, but actually we can find out by looking at the title and the picture. It's from a vet. The title says it's from its local vet, and there is a picture here of a vet. So there are 2 clues that let us know it's from a vet. Firstly, the title says a friendly reminder from your local vet. And if we look at this graphic feature over here, we have a vet hugging a little, I think this is a golden retriever. So there are the 2 clues that let us know it's from our vet. Okay, good job, guys. Okay, let's go ahead and get started on our lesson today. Today, we're learning about synonyms. Now, synonyms are 2 words or more that mean the same thing. For example, friend and pal. We can use these words interchangeably. I could say, my best friend's name is Sarah. I could also say, my best pal's name is Sarah. They both mean the same thing. Over here, we've got a verb, grin and smile. So I could use the words, I grin when I get 100% in my test. I could also say, I smile when I get 100% in my test. They both have the same meaning. Have a look here. Here we've got an evil witch. Ocean, can you read the synonyms that I have written down here?
Cruel, nasty, evil, mean.
Good job. So all of these words are synonyms. They mean the same thing. This is a cruel witch, a nasty witch, an evil witch, a mean witch. They all mean that she is bad. She is not a good witch. Okay, now have a look at the question above. Can you guys think of any pairs of synonyms? Go to the chat box now and type 2 words to me that have the same meaning. I'll go first. So I will give sad and upset. Ooh, good job, Ming Huang. Big and huge. Okay, small and tiny from Hannah and Ming Huang. Happy and bright from Quang Hai. Hard and rough from Ming Ha. Small and miniature from Teddy. Good and great. Good job, Ming Huang. You're answering lots of questions. Still seeing quite a lot of students not answer. So I want everyone to type in an answer, please. Beautiful and pretty. Ooh, Kui Kang. Begin and start. Cold and cool from Sao. Massive and gigantic. Woman and girl. Is there. Well done. You've given me lots and lots and lots of synonyms. Have a look, guys. We're going to play a game. I'm going to go through these words. Cheerful, upset, angry, large, relax, present, sniff, road, garbage, sleepy, rabbit, yell, little, leap, giggle. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick one girl and one boy to play. I will say a word and I want you to circle the synonym. Okay, so we'll do the first one together so that we know how to play. For example, if I was playing the game and the teacher said sad, I would circle the word upset because upset and sad are 2 synonyms. Okay, so I would like noob and I would like Suri. Noob and Suri, are you ready? Okay, great. Listen carefully. Please circle the synonym for big.
I cannot draw.
You can't draw. Okay, so then Suri and Noob, you can type in the chat box. So type it in the chat box. Good job. Well done. Okay, so Noob has typed it in first, but Suri, I did see that you circled it. So I think there was a bit of confusion there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give both teams a point. So girls and boys, you both now have 1 point. Good job. Okay, next, I want Cindy and I want Hacker. Cindy and Hacker, can you draw on my screen?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, listen carefully. Please circle the synonym of shout. Oh, very good. Hacker was first on that one, and Cindy, you did get it right, but Hacker was a little bit faster. Well done. The synonym of shout is yell. They both mean to raise your voice. Good job, boys. Okay, next up, I would let's have Tui Chi and let's have Ming Huang. Please circle the synonym of tired. Good job, Ming Huang. Well done. And well done to those of you answering in the chat box. You got it correct. Well done. The synonym of tired is sleepy. So if you haven't got that much sleep, you'll be feeling tired or sleepy. So well done. That was another team, a point for the boys team. Well done, Tweety. You got it correct. But again, Ming Huang was just a little bit faster. All right. Next up, I would like Sao and I would like Le Kang. Sao and Le Kang, are you able to draw on my screen?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Listen very carefully. Circle the synonym of happy. Oh, not quite, guys. So giggle is not quite the synonym that I'm looking for. Who thinks they can tell me what it is? What is the synonym of happy? Hannah, what do you think?
I think it is cheerful.
Good job. So the answer I was looking for, Sao and Lekang, is indeed cheerful. Good job. So no points that time round. Okay, next. I would like Steve and Kiwi. Listen carefully. Circle the synonym of smell. Ooh, very good. Well done. Steve was just a little bit faster than you, Kiwi. You both got it right. The answer is sniff, but that's another point for the boys' team. Good job, Steve. Okay, let's go, girls. We can do this. Let's see. I would like Quang Hai and I would like Zaling. Okay, so for this one, can you both answer in the chat box, please? All right, here we go. Please circle the synonym for bunny. Good job, well done. Okay, so Zaling, you were first in there. Quang Hai, you were just a second behind her. The answer is rabbit. A rabbit and a bunny are the same. Well done to everyone answering in the chat box. You all got it correct. Okay, so that's 1 point for the girls team this time. Okay, guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to swap the words. We've got some new words here, okay? So we're playing the same game. We have the words warm, quick, ill, home, pal, sob, seat, choose, grin, toss, middle, shove, noisy, silent, and boat. Here we go. I would like Teddy and Ocean. Listen carefully. Circle the synonym of chair. Wow, so fast, Ocean. Well done. Seat is the correct answer. Well done. So that's another point for the boys' team. You got it correct, Teddy. Well done. But Ocean was just a little bit faster. Okay, boys, you're doing so good today. Come on, girls, we need to be a little bit more speedy. Okay, next up, I want Jenny and Leo. Please circle the synonym of push. Okay, so actually we've got two incorrect answers here. Pal nor toss is correct. Does anyone know what the answer would be? Okay, Ming Huang, what do you think?
I think it is shove.
Good, well done. The answer I would have been looking for there is shove. If you push or shove, it means the same thing. It means that you're using your hands or your shoulders to get in somewhere. Good job, Ming Huang. Well done. Okay, let's have a few more games. Let's see. Hannah and I will have Kui Kang. Okay, so you can use the chat box for this one, okay? Okay, here we go. I'm going to please type the synonym of center. Oh, good job. Well done. Kang, that was incredibly fast. So Kang was first, and Hannah, you were just a little bit after Kang. So you both got it right. The answer is middle. The center is the middle of something. Great. Well done. Okay. Mingha and Kwang Ming, can you both draw on my screen?
Yes.
Okay, great. Mingha and Kwang Ming, circle the synonym of cry. Very good. Well done. You both got it correct, but Mingha was just a little bit faster with that one. The answer is sob. If you sob, it means that you've got tears coming down out of your eyes and you're feeling very sad and you're crying about something. Okay, amazing. So I think that's just about everyone's. Wonderful job, guys. I can reveal the boys have 6 and girls, you have 3 points. So boys, you are my winner for this round. Well done, boys. Okay, let's keep going with our lesson. Have a look at this, guys. We're going to read this short little story, and then we're going to talk and try and find synonym pairs in this story. I'll have two people reading. Hannah, can you be Katie Black? And Kwang Hai, can you be the young artist?
An interview with an illustrator. Did you always know that you wanted to illustrate children's books?
When I was young, I dreamed about being an artist. I thought of myself as a painter. I imagined that my artwork would end up on people's walls, though instead of in the pages of a book.
Has any of your artwork ever appeared outside of a book?
Yes, I have had a couple of art shows. These exhibits were a lot of fun. My favorite show was when I had done some very large paintings of single objects. So people were buying paints of enormous flowers or fruits. Another time I challenged myself to only use thin lines in my paintings. It was difficult to stick to only skinny lines, but the finished art was very interesting. I thought,
Young, what do you think it takes to be an artist?
what makes an artist is an ability to see things in a slightly different way. Art is all about communicating how artists view the world.
Lovely reading, both of you. Really, really good job. So, this is an interview with an illustrator. An interview is something that you do when someone asks you questions about something you have done. So, here, Katie Black must be a famous artist, and this young artist is asking her some questions to try and figure out how she got to be so good and how to figure out how to maybe be as good as her. Now, have a look here, guys. We have 5 pairs of synonyms. So, what I want you guys to do is tell me, did you find any words that were synonyms in this reading? I'll do the first ones for you. I found the word dreamed and I found the word imagined. So, dreamed and imagined mean the same thing. I can say, I dream about being a doctor one day. I can say, I imagine that I am a doctor one day. They both mean that you think about something in your head. Let's keep reading. Are there any other words that you can see that are synonyms? Tweety, what do you think?
See the word large and enormous.
Good girl. I'm going to underline them for us. Here we have large and here we have enormous. Good girl, Tweety. Large and enormous both mean that something is bigger than usual. Okay, are there any other words that you can see that are synonyms? Let's go for Cindy. What could you find or what did you find?
Find I found artist and painter.
Can you show me? Can you underline them for me? Good job. Well done. So we could have an artist and a painter. Absolutely. Okay, Meng Huang, can you find any other synonyms?
I find skinny and thin.
Good. Well done, Meng Huang. Skinny and thin. Have a look here. Thin lines and skinny lines. Thin and skinny mean the same thing. If something is thin, it doesn't have much space. Meng Huang, really good work. Okay, so there are some more. I'm looking for shows and exhibits. So a show is when someone goes to see something. So she says, I have had a couple of art shows. That means she has painted pictures and put them up in the museum, and people have gone to her art show to look at her paintings. We can also call an art show an art exhibit. An exhibit is when someone puts their artwork in a room and you go to visit it. We're looking for 2 more at the bottom. Quite. So, guys, the words I was looking for are, I'll tell you one word and you can try and guess the next word. one of the words that is a synonym is see. Can you find a synonym for see? Whoa, Kwang Ming, your hand went up so fast. What do you think?
See and view.
Good job. See and view. So if you see something, you are able to look at it with your eyes. If you view something, again, you're able to look at it with your eyes. Okay, guys, really good work. Okay, guys, so I want to go over your homework for today so there's no confusion. So read each word below. Write 2 synonyms from above that have almost the same meaning as the word. For this homework, you will probably have to use a dictionary. So we've got 1 page for homework tonight because I'm hoping that you will spend a little bit longer on this. So I want you to use a dictionary to find out words that you don't know the meaning for. Now have a look here. Display, huge, nice, observe, and draw. You read the word and write 2 synonyms from above. If you're not sure of the word, please don't guess. Please go and look it up in a dictionary. For example, if you don't know what the word observe means, please look it up in a dictionary. For the next question, number 6, choose 1 set of synonyms. Write a sentence or 2 for each word to show the difference in the shades of meaning. So, what you have to do is you decide what set of synonyms you will choose. Then you will go here and you will write a sentence using the word display. You will write a sentence using the word show. And you will write a sentence using the other synonym. Must show the difference in shades of meaning. So remember, synonyms are words that mean the same thing, but they do have different shades of meaning. For example, let's look at number 2 here. So we know that huge means big or larger. Our words that are going to go with huge are what? Let's do this one together. What 2 synonyms are going to go with huge?
Is large and enormous.
Good job, Steve. Large and enormous are going to go with huge, okay? So let's say, for example, you choose that set of synonyms. You might write sentences like this. So you might say, an elephant is large. Then we want to make a sentence for huge. So we could say, a building is huge. Then we need to write a sentence for enormous. We could say, the earth is enormous. So guys, that page is 95. 1 page for homework. Have a wonderful day. Please make sure you upload your homework to Google Drive by 9 p.m. Bye-bye.